My loves, I am delighted to introduce you to this pretty little purse. It's got a pocket on the front with a little tag that says made with love on it. It's got a lovely little perfume receipt there. Open it up and we've got this big writing space on the inside here, and we've got some things inside. Let's have a look at these. We've got the perfume from the receipt that we've got in the pocket on the front. We've got this compact mirror that's two-sided. Open it up, we've got our mirror on the top here, and open it up still further and still further, and we've got a lovely big writing space there, and that's that piece there. Then we've got this lovely little purse, and our lovely little purse has got a closure on the front. Open that up, we've got a lovely writing space and a lovely little interactive mechanism there for closing. And then we've got this lovely rouge. Now I love this piece. On the back it's got made with love. Open it up and we've got this little rouge compact. Open it up still further and we've got a lovely writing space. So there you go, my loves. There is the little purse. It's very pretty, very usable, great as part of a journal, as some happy mail, as a little interactive folio in its own right. It really, really works. Come with me, let's see how we make it. Here we are then, my loves. I've got my bits and bobs cut out. I'm on 200 gram throughout. You can go 250 if you want to, and I'm not reverse printing anything. Right, let's make a start. Let's begin with the actual purse itself. We've got the front, the back, and the inside. So we're going to fold this in half. Plain side to plain side. Nice and accurately. Nice accurate folding pays dividends afterwards. There we go, and the inside is actually going to fold printed side to printed side, and these two pieces are going to go together. So you've got the other way round, Emma, the other way round. So that when you open it up, you've got the front of your purse, you've got this lovely writing space, you've got this plain piece, and then obviously you've got the back of your purse. Now then, up to you if you want to stick this together like this, but you will always get a little white edge here. Can't help that because you've got depth in the fold. If you want to, you can cut this in half, and that's what I sometimes do, and then I'll ink in this edge here and stick these two pieces down individually. Not going to do that today because I've got quite a nice simple cutting shape, so I'll stick it together like that, and then I'll either ink or I'll just trim off that little tiny bit of white there. Right, let's crack on and stop talking. We've got a pocket at the front here that I'm going to make a slit in. Could do with a ruler. There we are, a ruler. I'm going to cut almost the entire length of this pocket. I'm not going to go the entire length. I'll give myself a little bit more of a margin on each side just to make it a bit sturdy. I don't want to go cutting the thing in half. I think I've cut the ruler rather than the thing. There we go. Right, so with that cut, I'm going to turn this over and I'm going to glue it. And I'm going to glue this entire section here. And then everything, so let's glue this bit first. So I'm going to glue this entire section. And then everything above the slit on this side I'm going to glue. And then below the slit I'm making a pocket. So I'm just going to go round the edge. And I can be quite generous here. I don't have to be tight in. I've got room to play with. It's quite a generous pocket. So this is the back of the purse. The slit is down here, and I'm going to put this way on, so that when I open it, I've got this piece at the back and I've got this piece at the bottom. Stick that on nice and accurately. Stick it all down. I've got my pocket at the front here now that hasn't got glue behind it. There, like that. Looking grand. And let's have a look at the inside. We've got a pocket for the inside here, and I've got 3 little tabs on that I want to score. The pocket isn't quite straight. It follows the angle of the purse, so it's got tapered sides. So don't go square on when you're folding these tabs. You want to be sympathetic with this angle here. Pop your tabs around. I've got a little bit tight on there and I can't see that nice border. Let's change that a little. There we go. There, a little bit of ink just to lose this little bit of whiteness. I'm not going heavy inking on this one because it's quite a nice, pretty delicate pattern and range of hues. Bit of glue on there, bit of glue on there, glue on there, and I can stick this one down. Now there's a little bit of a border for you to honour either side. Have a look at it. Whatever's either side, do the same at the bottom and you get a nice balanced look there, like that. On. Brilliant. Let's let that dry. What should we have a look at? Let's look at this rouge. Isn't this so precious? I'm going to fold this by hand and do it by eye. So what I'm going to do first of all is fold over the lid. And it'll naturally fold where these little indented bits are here. So we'll just fold that up all lovely. And then I'm going to fold this piece up to the middle. There, like that. Then I know that my lid is going to close. And that's your rouge, my darlings. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? You've got that design there. You've got Made with Love on the back. And you can open it up and there's your little rouge compact there. Open it up further and you've got a lovely writing space. Love that little piece. It's so cute. Our compact mirror follows a very similar kind of design. We've got the mirror here, which we can fold round. Then we've got that piece there to fold round and then it all folds together. I've got a little bit of banding on my printer, let's ignore that. This piece here is actually for the purse. We're going to fold this purse in half, like this. We're going to make a little slit. On one side of the purse you've got a little line to follow here. Just slit across there. It's quite faint but it's there. Then we're going to pop this piece in the slit like this so it's about halfway. What you can do actually if you want to is fold this in half so you can see where halfway is. Fold that, pop that in there like that, bring it round, close it, and then you're going to glue this side. Give yourself a little bit of wiggle room there, don't go right up to the fold. I don't want that glue splurging out into my fold there. Stick that down, and when that glue has had a chance to dry, you've then got a little closure on this little purse, which is, of course, a writing space. And we're coming to the end. We've got a lovely little perfume ticket. We've got a little card here that says Made with Love, and we've got a lovely bottle of perfume. Now, the ticket is a receipt for this beautiful, beautiful little bottle of perfume, which is, of course, a little folding double-sided card. And you've got a little writing space there as well. And that is the receipt for that high-end scent. So those two pieces go together. Let's go back to our purse. Now we've got our pocket inside. We've got our writing space here. We can pop our things in. We've got the powder compact. We've got the little purse that has got a writing space. That's not dried yet. I won't open that just now. We've got the rouge. We've got the perfume and the ticket. And then, of course, we've got the pocket on the front, which is going to have my little right way up, Made with Love. And if you want to pop something else in the front there rather than have it all in the back, like the receipt, for instance, then you can do that. And that is your little beautiful, pretty little purse complete, full of its little bits of openers. Gorgeous little bit of happy mail, beautiful as a little journal insert. Or as a little journaling folio in its own right. There you go, my darlings. Have lots and lots of fun. I hope you really like this piece, and I will see you next time.